and with the people who are truly part of my life. But above all else, I want to give all the glory and thanks to God, Jud. Siya, Jud, ang rason why I'm still here standing, and he's really the one who never gave up on me, even though how much messy kind of person I am. And a quick testimony, I remember when I was 13, I used to whisper silent cries of prayer sa iya to take my life because of the hardships that I've experienced. And when nothing happened, I felt like he was just ignoring me because he didn't listen to my prayers. I stopped believing in him. And mo to nawala ko sa kuang path sa life. But now that I'm 18, I finally understand na wala niya gihitungog ako ampo. It's because he wasn't ignoring me, he was saving me. Now, this is my first birthday with Christ, and my one prayer is that He will remain at the center of my life hangtod sa hangtod. I also want to thank God for my spiritual family. Thank you guys sa pag-adto bisang layo tayo muha. And then sayang wala naka-adto mo ban, pero I understand. And because sa mga wala kabalo, these are the people who helped me with my walk with God, who encouraged me and reminded me of who I am with Christ. Especially to Ate Marie, special mention with sa Ate Marie. Salamat kayo sa imong pagkuyog sa kuha for being the best spiritual leader and I could ever ask for listening without judgment, and for showing me God's love in such a tangible way. You're truly a blessing in my life, and I can't imagine any other leader na mag-lead sa kuha. And to my earthly family, thank you so much for making today extra special. Even though the planning of this event is kind of rushed, you guys work together to make it possible. Thank you for generously providing the food for my beloved guests, and to my Ate Colot, Ate Lian, Ate Nene, Ate Vidal, Kuya Jamer, and Kuya Chris. Thank you for your help, hard work to make this event possible. And I couldn't have done it without you guys. And to my other family members na effort to biyahe mga 3 hours to attend my debut. Thank you kaayo because I can really feel your love para sa ako. I'll never forget this moment. I will treasure it in my heart. To my papa and mama, thank you both. Ikaw mo dyan ang nagastuan ni. And even though I didn't grow up with you guys, and even if things were not perfect, you guys still worked in harmony para mag-support sa kuha, labi na financially. I love you both deeply. And to my mama, bisang wala siya dari physically, kabla dyan si God how much I love her. Papa, thank you for showing up in your own way. Ibiyahe ko ka 3 hours just to be here. And I love you too so much. I promise to honor them both, to work hard, so that one day they will rest and I will do the rest. And of course to my friends, Julian, JV, Cindy, Geraldine, Ina, Rai, Dimple. Thank you kaayo sa inyong tanan. Some of you gikan pa sa klase, and some of you layo pagbalay. But nag-make time dun mo para maka-adto mo dari up. You are the people who made my life joyful, more colorful, and a lot more meaningful. Salamat sa katawa, sa mga hilok na pagtabang, and sa mga words of encouragement. O sa mga pag-remind sa ako na I'm not alone in this life. Some of you stayed even when I was hard to love. Some reached out when I was silent. And some of you reminded me of my words when I forgot it. You have no idea how much that means to me. Bisan dili na pero may pagkita ninyo because hiwalay na ta. Kabalong mga dako mong lugar sa akong kasinasin. I pray magpadayon ta sa pagpuyog in good times and in tough seasons. Tonight, I just don't celebrate turning 18. I celebrate God's grace. I celebrate healing. I celebrate all the second chances He gave me. Here's to a new chapter, a life with God, and a heart full of purpose, and a future filled with hope. Daghang salamat sa inyo.
Howie.